Today, Excel skills and SAP knowledge will get you hired, but soft skills decide whether you succeed or fail as a leader. In this video, let's discuss what are the key soft skills required in supply chain career and how to build them with example. Let's start. Why soft skills matter in supply chain leadership. Supply chain leaders sit at the intersection of procurement, manufacturing, logistics, sales, finance, suppliers, regulators, and customers. Decisions made in one area ripple across the entire system. Soft skills enable leaders to align conflicting functional objectives, manage ambiguity and incomplete information, drive cross-functional collaboration, led through disruption and crisis, translate data into actionable decisions. Without strong soft skills, even technically sound strategies often fail during execution. Essential soft skills for supply chain leaders: critical thinking and problem framing. Explanation. Critical thinking involves the ability to question assumptions, evaluate trade-offs, and frame problems correctly. In supply chain contexts, the wrong problem definition often leads to ineffective solutions. Example: a company experiences frequent stockouts and responds by increasing safety stock. A critical thinking leader reframes the problem and discovers that demand variability is caused by uncoordinated promotions from a sales team. The solution shifts from inventory buildup to improved demand synchronization. Decision-making under uncertainty. Explanation. Supply chain leaders rarely have perfect information. Soft skill proficiency includes making timely, defensible decisions despite uncertainty, while understanding risk and trade-offs. Example: during a port strike, a leader must choose between rerouting shipments at higher cost or risking stockouts. Rather than waiting for clarity, the leader executes a hybrid strategy, rerouting critical SKUs while delaying low-priority shipments, balancing cost and service. Communication and storytelling with data. Explanation. Supply chain leaders must communicate complex operational insights to non-technical stakeholders. Effective communication transforms data into clear narratives that drive alignment and action. Example: instead of presenting a forecast accuracy dashboard, a leader explains how a 5% forecast error translates into $12 million in excess inventory and customer dissatisfaction, securing executive support for process changes. Cross-functional collaboration and influence. Explanation. Supply chains cut across organizational silos. Leaders must influence without direct authority, aligning procurement, operations, sales, and finance around shared objectives. Example: a logistics leader collaborates with sales and marketing to redesign delivery promises, balancing customer expectations with realistic lead times. This reduces expediting costs while maintaining service levels. Emotional intelligence and stakeholder management. Explanation. Emotional intelligence enables leaders to recognize, understand, and manage their own emotions and those of others. This is especially critical during disruptions, negotiations, and performance escalations. Example: during a supplier failure, a leader remains composed, acknowledges supplier constraints, and works collaboratively to develop recovery plans, preserving long-term partnerships instead of escalating conflict. Conflict resolution and negotiation. Explanation. Conflicts arise frequently between cost, service, and speed objectives. Effective leaders resolve conflicts constructively and negotiate outcomes that optimize total supply chain value. Example: procurement wants lower unit costs, while operations wants shorter lead times. A leader facilitates a total cost of ownership discussion, leading to a balanced sourcing decision rather than a zero-sum outcome. Systems thinking. Explanation. Systems thinking allows leaders to understand how decisions in one part of the supply chain affect the whole. It prevents local optimization at the expense of global performance. Example: switching to a low-cost overseas supplier reduces purchase price, but increases lead times and inventory carrying costs. A systems thinking leader evaluates the end-to-end impact before deciding. Adaptability and learning agility. Explanation. Supply chain environments evolve rapidly due to technology, regulation, and geopolitical change. Leaders must continuously learn and adapt. Example: a leader who previously relied on historical forecasting adopts demand sensing tools and scenario planning when market volatility increases, ensuring relevance and resilience. Ethical judgment and integrity. Explanation. Supply chain leaders face ethical dilemmas related to labor practices, sustainability, compliance, and supplier conduct. Strong ethical judgment builds trust and long-term credibility. Example: a leader refuses to source from a low-cost supplier with poor labor practices despite cost pressure, protecting brand reputation and regulatory compliance. Resilience and stress management. Explanation. Disruptions are inevitable. Leaders must maintain clarity, confidence, and stability under pressure, setting the tone for their teams. Example: During the COVID-19 pandemic, resilient leaders focused on transparent communication, rapid prioritization, and team well-being, enabling sustained performance despite uncertainty. Developing soft skills in supply chain leaders. Soft skills are not innate traits. They can be developed through exposure to cross-functional roles, crisis simulations and scenario planning, leadership coaching and mentoring, reflective learning and post-mortem analysis, structured feedback mechanisms. Organizations that invest in soft skill development see improved execution, collaboration, and adaptability. Balancing soft skills and technical expertise. Effective supply chain leadership requires a balance between technical competence and soft skills. Technical knowledge provides analytical rigor, while soft skills enable execution, influence, and alignment. Leaders with strong soft skills but weak technical grounding lack credibility. Conversely, technically strong leaders without soft skills struggle to drive change. Conclusion. As supply chains become more complex and disruption-prone, the role of the supply chain leader is evolving from operational manager to strategic integrator. In this new context, soft skills are not supplementary, they are foundational. Critical thinking, decision-making under uncertainty, communication, collaboration, emotional intelligence, and resilience define the effectiveness of modern supply chain leaders. Organizations that recognize and cultivate these skills will build supply chains that are not only efficient, but adaptive, resilient, and strategically aligned. If this helps, subscribe for practical supply chain explanations every week. Join our membership. You will get to break down supply chain problems and their database solutions with real-world frameworks every week. Till then, keep optimizing. Thanks for watching.